Are you struggling to write effective IELTS essay to get 7 or above bands? Follow my rule and get your desired bands. The perfect strategy is to write what the examiner is looking for. Now, band descriptors are the only way to get to know that what are the requirements of IELTS writing. The first and foremost thing which is important is the task response. So let's learn through this video what do you mean by task response and what are the questions which need to be answered to get 7 or higher bands. Okay, let's understand task response by these two questions. These are the IELTS official question. So let's read the first question first. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write an essay on the following topics. So now this is our topic. Is freedom of speech necessary in a free society? It means one is need to write the pros and cons regarding the freedom of speech. Necessary, it means essential. If you are in the favor, then you could write advantages. If you are against, then you could write demerits. It's totally up to you. The next statement is also important. Give reasons of your answer. Now, give reasons means you just need not only to cover the idea, but you also need elaboration. And next, include any relevant example. So it means example is also very important. Let's read the next question. In the modern societies, grandchildren rarely spend time with their grandparents. Now, find out the keywords first. Modern societies, grandchildren, spend time, and grandparents. Now, in this question, one just need to write all the things related to grandchildren and grandparents, and not all the things, only that thing which is related to the spending time with each other. So it means if we are writing that children are spending too much time on outdoor activities or on watching TV, if we are relating idea to this, that would include grandchildren, but that would not cover under the task response, because what is required in this task is that topic should related to the grandchildren should spend time with the grandparents, and modern society would also be covered. It means we have to pay attention towards all the modern facilities or all the facilities which are going on in the contemporary world. All right, so let's read further. What are the consequences of it? Now, what are it means one need to write at least two consequences. One is not sufficient, and at least 250 words. So minimum length is 250 word. So what are the common things? Time period, at least 250 words. It means words limit, examples, and ideas elaboration. Elaboration is very important because they are saying give reasons of your answer. So it is not important only to mention the idea, but that why that idea is important. In the next video, I will teach how to write an effective introduction. So subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thank you.